Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is a story and it's aimed at beginners and intermediate English learners. The title of our story is Aisha's Big Adventure in India. I encourage you to stop the video regularly. Look at the vocabulary, practice the pronunciation, and repeat the reading for yourself. That being said, let's get started. In a colorful village in India lived a curious little girl named Aisha. She loved to explore the world around her, especially the bustling streets filled with sounds of laughter, chattering birds, and the clinking of rickshaw bells. One morning, after a delicious breakfast of paratha and mango pickle, Aisha decided to fly her new kite. The sky was blue and the air was perfect. She ran through the fields behind her house, letting the kite soar high above her. Aisha spotted a beautiful peacock in the distance as the kite danced in the wind. Excited, she followed it into the nearby forest, where tall trees and bright flowers lined the path. Inside the forest, Aisha heard the sound of drums and music. Curious, she followed the sound and found a group celebrating with traditional dances. They were getting ready for the big festival that evening. The people welcomed Aisha to join them. She danced along, her feet tapping to the rhythm of the music. She felt so happy to be part of the festival, and the whole village celebrated together as the sun set behind the hills. As the night grew dark, fireworks lit up the sky, and Aisha marveled at how bright and beautiful they were. She knew that no matter how big the world was, an adventure was always waiting for her. Aisha's day ended with a heart full of joy and a mind full of memories. She couldn't wait for her next adventure. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may help people all over the world to improve their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.